Ripple just scored a major victory in its ongoing battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), and this decision could change everything for the future of cryptocurrency. After years of legal drama, the SEC case against Ripple is finally winding down, and it's looking like the scales are tipping in Ripple's favor. This legal battle started back in late 2020 when the SEC filed a lawsuit claiming that Ripple had been selling XRP as an unregistered security. The case has been a major topic of discussion in the crypto world, with everyone wondering if the government would crack down on the whole industry or if Ripple would manage to come out on top. Well, it seems like Ripple's defense has paid off. The legal victory not only lifts a massive burden from Ripple's shoulders, but also sends a powerful message to the rest of the crypto industry. The outcome of this case could shape how digital assets are treated by regulators moving forward. With the SEC's case coming to a close and Ripple looking more and more likely to be on the winning side, it raises the question, what does this mean for the future of XRP, the wider crypto market, and the ongoing debate about cryptocurrency regulation in the US? To truly understand why this victory is so important, let's take a step back and look at the background of the SEC versus Ripple case. It all started in December 2020 when the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, accusing the company of selling XRP as an unregistered security. The SEC argued that XRP should be treated like a stock, meaning it needed to be registered with the government before it could be sold to the public. This legal battle had huge implications not just for Ripple, but for the entire cryptocurrency space. If the SEC won, it could set a dangerous precedent, opening the door for the government to regulate other cryptocurrencies as securities as well. That could have meant a lot more red tape, restrictions, and uncertainty for crypto projects trying to grow and innovate. Ripple, on the other hand, strongly disagreed with the SEC's stance. The company argued that XRP was not a security but a digital asset similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum, which were already considered commodities. Ripple maintained that the SEC's actions were overreach and unfairly targeted the company, especially since XRP had been around for years and the regulatory framework for crypto was still unclear. Ripple's defense focused on the idea that they hadn't been given proper guidance from the government and the SEC was punishing them for trying to innovate in an emerging industry. The legal process was long and complicated, with both sides fighting tooth and nail. Ripple even faced major challenges, including losing access to key internal documents. But through it all, the company managed to present a strong case, challenging the SEC's interpretation of the law and pushing back on their accusations. As the case dragged on, it created a cloud of uncertainty over Ripple and the future of XRP. But Ripple stayed committed to defending itself and its token. Now, with the recent developments and the case nearing its conclusion, it's clear that Ripple's legal team has made significant headway in proving their point. The momentum has shifted in Ripple's favor, and the crypto community is watching closely to see how this will all unfold. What happens next could determine not only the future of Ripple, but also the direction of crypto regulation in the United States. So, what does Ripple's legal victory actually mean for XRP? Well, the impact is already being felt across the market. As soon as the news broke that Ripple was winning the case, XRP's price saw a noticeable jump. Investors and traders quickly recognized that the cloud of uncertainty hanging over XRP for the past few years was starting to clear up. This victory sends a strong signal to the market that Ripple is in the clear, and it could potentially lead to XRP being listed on more exchanges, especially in places where it was previously delisted due to the legal issues. In the short term, the immediate effects on XRP's price have been positive, but the long-term effects are even more significant. With the SEC case behind them, Ripple can now focus on its core business without the constant threat of legal battles. This means Ripple can continue to expand its partnerships, improve its technology, and push forward with its plans to use blockchain to revolutionize cross-border payments. For XRP holders, this legal victory could lead to greater confidence in the token's future, potentially driving up demand and adoption. Beyond just the price of XRP, Ripple's win could also have a major impact on the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. For years, crypto projects have been living in fear of government regulation, and many have struggled to navigate the unclear rules surrounding digital assets. US regulatory landscape and open the door for other projects to operate with greater certainty, knowing that their tokens may not face the same legal challenges that Ripple faced. So in addition to benefiting XRP, Ripple's success in court could bring a much-needed sense of stability to the entire crypto market, which could lead to more innovation and investment in the space. As Ripple moves forward, the future of XRP looks much brighter, and the entire crypto industry is paying close attention to see what's next. This legal victory doesn't just impact Ripple and XRP, it's a game changer for the entire cryptocurrency industry. The SEC's case against Ripple has been one of the most closely watched legal battles in crypto history, and the outcome could set a major precedent for how digital assets are treated by regulators going forward. The ruling in Ripple's favor sends a powerful message to other crypto projects that they may not have to worry about being labeled as securities, at least not in the way the SEC originally envisioned. For years, the crypto industry has been in a kind of regulatory limbo, with unclear rules and inconsistent enforcement. This victory shows that there is room for crypto to exist and thrive without being heavily burdened by outdated laws meant for traditional financial products. If Ripple's win stands, it could encourage other projects to fight back if they feel the SEC or other regulators are overstepping their bounds. This could lead to a more balanced regulatory environment, one that allows innovation in the crypto space to flourish while still addressing the need for investor protection. The Ripple case also brings attention to a much larger issue. How will regulators in the US approach cryptocurrency in the future? This victory could push for a clearer and more coherent approach to regulating digital assets, especially as cryptocurrencies become more mainstream. The ruling could influence future cases and decisions, providing much-needed guidance for both crypto companies and regulators alike. The hope is that this decision will spark a broader conversation about how to treat crypto in the US and ensure that regulation is fair, transparent, and conducive to innovation. With the growing interest in blockchain technology and the rise of digital currencies, it's clear that the world is moving towards a more digital and decentralized financial system. Ripple's win could mark the beginning of a new chapter, one where digital assets like XRP are treated fairly and consistently, and where crypto companies can operate without the constant threat of legal battles. This could set the stage for even bigger things to come, both for Ripple and the industry at large. Now that the SEC case is nearing its end and Ripple has emerged victorious, what's next for the company and XRP? With the legal cloud finally lifting, Ripple can now focus on the future and the exciting opportunities ahead. Ripple has always been at the forefront of blockchain technology, and without the distraction of ongoing legal battles, the company can push forward with its mission to transform cross-border payments. Ripple has established strong relationships with financial institutions around the world, and this victory could help strengthen those partnerships even further. Ripple's next steps will likely involve expanding its use of XRP in global payments. The company has already made strides in making XRP a bridge currency for remittances, offering faster and cheaper alternatives to traditional money transfers. With the legal uncertainty now behind them, Ripple can ramp up its efforts to bring XRP into more real-world applications, especially in markets where traditional financial systems are slower and more costly. Ripple's technology, along with XRP, could become even more attractive to financial institutions and businesses looking to streamline their payment processes. Additionally, Ripple may start looking at new ways to innovate in the crypto and blockchain space. With the legal battles now behind them, Ripple can explore new partnerships and collaborations, potentially expanding beyond just payments. There is a wide range of possibilities for Ripple to create new financial solutions using blockchain technology, and the company has proven that it has the drive and resources to push the boundaries of what's possible.